Hey, it's Hairday again, of course. Also, I've done my parting, of course, because I'm not doing that on camera. Maybe one day, but I hate it. I be going cockeyed. I hate it. Anyways, let's get into these tribal Fulani braids, whatever you want to call them. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. Listen, one thing I'm gonna tell you right now, if you don't already know, if you reuse braiding hair, the knots you're gonna get in that, is jarring. It is annoying, but we push through. Guys, yes, I need glasses. Yes, I'm squinting to see the TV sometimes. Just mind your business, okay? I haven't gone to Specsavers in like 10 years. I'm not paying £500 for glasses. Are you dumb? I can see it's never that serious. So, don't mind the squinting. Maybe in 10 years we'll go to Specsavers. Who knows? We'll see.
Where the neon glows, every block tells a tale the whole city knows. Rhythms in the shadows where the cold wind blows. Life's a gamble on these streets, anything goes. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight.
I also just wanted to add, someone's probably going to be like, why are you not just doing all black? I mean, I like all black. I haven't done all black in ages, but I'm in my era of colour. Like, I just wanted a cool 1-2 line of some different colour. Brown, red, burgundy, orange, pink. I'm going to do pink next time. Blue, but you know what I'm saying. Like, let's not be boring. I'm a DIY girl. Like, I like to do things. I like to explore. I like to experiment. And it's my headpiece. If you don't like it, oh wow. I love it. So for curling the ends of my hair, you kind of just have to watch. I did this last time with I'm pretty sure you would have seen my last video. It had curly ends. I was really feeling it. The only thing that's annoying is that you probably will have to redo this maybe every week. I didn't, and they were low-key starting to look like dreads. But a lot was going on in my life and I was just living for it. I was just like, I don't even care. But I hope these are gonna turn out cute like last time, because they're kind of annoying to do, because like when you're like wrapping them around, like it kind of starts to wrap at the base and it kind of hurts, obviously. So just be careful when you're doing that. Just like as you're turning the hair, turn the root the other way, if that makes sense. If it didn't make sense, sorry.
Cutting through the urban scale, where truths are spoken and tales unveiled. Boom bap echoes through the alleys at night. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. Soulful samples lift the darkness to light. Deep kicks pounds like a heartbeat fight. These gritty vibes keep my story in sight. city lights blink, they got secrets to spill. Painted asphalt whispers a soulful chill. Clouds pass slow like memories that fade. Walking through the midnight, chasing dreams we made. Echo of your laugh, now a ghost in the shade. Every step a crack where the smile decayed. Voices in my head softly hum your tune. Dancing with the shadows under a silver moon. Falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a pale lit room. Street lamp flickers out, matches my doubt. Counting lonely steps, trying to map a route. Past the pain and the fear, beyond the cold air. Searching in the void like you'd still be there. Eyes shut tight, see the dreams barely glow. Fingers reach for nothing, just the wind that I know. Ocean tide crashing in the chest, waves break, still drowning in your name. Every breath I take, falling stars write your name across the sky. Every trail burns bright, but they won't tell me why. Colliding with the echoes where love used to bloom. In the deep of the night, under a pale lit room.
Yeah, I know you used to drink and you like it. Wanna text me with your pride, tryna fight it. Tryna fight. Yeah, I know you used to drink and you like it. Tryna fight. Yeah, I know you used to drink and you like it.